Consider how individual actions can sometimes affect others, especially when those actions have widespread environmental consequences. This complex issue tests the boundaries of personal freedom and responsibility, challenging us to apply fundamental ethical principles to modern problems. Yes, pollution can indeed be considered aggression under the non-aggression principle, or NAP. The NAP states that it is impermissible to initiate physical force or fraud against another individual or their property. When pollution demonstrably infringes upon someone's person or property rights, it can directly violate this core libertarian tenet. The reason this connection exists lies in the NAP's deep roots in property rights. Aggression, within this framework, is not just about direct physical assault. It extends to any unconsented physical invasion of justly acquired property. Pollution, such as air or water contamination, can be seen as an uninvited physical encroachment that damages property or harms the health of its owner. The challenge often lies in proving direct causation, identifying the specific aggressor, and establishing non-trivial harm. To practically apply this, one must establish clear links between the pollution and the harm. This involves demonstrating that a specific source of pollution directly causes damage to a particular individual's person or property. The harm must be objectively measurable and exceed a de minimis, or trivial, threshold. Without a clear aggressor and demonstrable harm, a claim of aggression is much more difficult to uphold, moving the issue from aggression to a potential shared or diffused externality. This brings us to a crucial distinction many libertarian scholars emphasize: the difference between diffuse, unidentifiable environmental externalities and direct, traceable pollution. For example, a single factory emitting highly concentrated toxins onto an adjacent farm would clearly constitute aggression. However, global carbon dioxide emissions, while impactful, are far more challenging to categorize as aggression due to the difficulty of attributing specific harm to specific sources and victims. This highlights the importance of clearly defined property boundaries and robust legal frameworks to adjudicate such claims. Ultimately, the question of whether pollution constitutes aggression under the NAP hinges on the foundational concept of property rights and the directness of harm. If pollution invades a person's body or justly owned property without consent, causing non-trivial harm, then it aligns with the definition of aggression. This understanding provides a framework for addressing environmental concerns within a consistent libertarian ethical system, emphasizing individual accountability and protection of rights.